Tired of losing your keys, wallet, or backpack? The Apple AirTag 4-pack is the ultimate solution you've been searching for. This isn't just any Bluetooth tracker. Its standout feature is precision finding. Thanks to Ultra Wideband technology, your iPhone guides you directly to your lost item with incredible accuracy, showing distance and direction. Unlike basic trackers, this precise visual and haptic feedback makes finding misplaced items unbelievably easy and fun. Setting up an AirTag is ridiculously simple. Just one tap with your iPhone, and you're connected, ready to track within seconds. Plus, with an IP67 water and dust resistance rating, you can attach it to almost anything without worrying about spills or a little rain. If you're looking for the best way to keep track of your valuables, seriously consider adding these to your cart. You can grab your Apple AirTag 4-pack right now via the Amazon link in the description below. Its seamless integration with the Find My network leverages millions of Apple devices worldwide, giving you unparalleled tracking reach. It's an essential electronics investment for peace of mind, making it a top contender for the best electronics of 2025. Don't wait until you lose something important. Click the link and get your AirTags today.